Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show how to create this kind of thing. A test or quiz inside Schoology. Okay, now inside the test or quiz you will find this applet or any applet that you wish to work with, and below the applet the questions for the students. Okay, this is a way of presenting the math to the students in a more creative way, in a more like discovering way, discovering the knowledge. Okay, so maybe at the end you will find yourself with another applet so you can check the knowledge or something. You can do this by showing with a projector this in your class and allowing them to answer. Okay, yes, that can be done, but the good thing about doing it in Schoology is that you can track each individual answer. You can track you can have a very good follow through what is happening with the students, and with each student is going to answer, or groups or whatever, but you will have a very good follow through of what is happening in the class. Okay, because if not, maybe if you do it orally in the class with one projector, with one computer, you will find that maybe the same guy or two or three are answering, and what is happening with the rest. So with this you can have a very good follow through of what is happening with all the students. Okay, how to do it? First, you may have yourself an applet. You might find the applet. You can create it your own, as we showed in another tutorial, or you can go to GeoGebra and go to GeoGebra materials, GeoGebra tube, and then there you can find for the topic that you want, and you can get yourself an applet, or you can, as I said, create it your own. Okay, let's see if you want to find something about logarithms. Okay, let's say logarithms, and you can start searching for the materials and looking what other people have done, or maybe searching your own materials and find yourself with what you want. Okay, I have selected for today this one about the logarithm, spiral. Okay, this is a good applet that I want to show to my students. So what can I do with this? I will in a way copy the applet here, and then put the questions that I want for my students to answer. So now that we have selected the applet, we go to Schoology, to where we want to create the applet. Maybe you want to create the applet in this unit 1 folder. So you may go here and create the test or quiz as usual, as you do it usually in Schoology. Okay, so go there, put a name, new one. Let's say this is a new one that we're going to create. Let's put a category, let's say ungraded for today. All the Schoology options, the grading, whatever. Okay, that's normal stuff, like every time that you do it. Now what are you going to do? Add questions. Here you find the type of question that you want to put. Maybe I want a true or false. Why not? A true or false. And here I have to create the question. Maybe, do you like this? True or false? Is this beautiful? Is this good? Whatever you want to put to the students. And here you will have to put the applet and then all the options of the questions. Okay, obviously this is just an example, right? You will have to do a good question to the student, like why is this happening, or which is the angle when blah blah blah, or whatever that you want them to discover in a way from the applet that you're showing. Okay, how do you do it? Go to the applet that you found, this one, go to the share button here, and here you will have some sharing options, and we want the embed one. Here in the embed one you have a lot of things to be careful about. You can put the input bar or not, you can put the style bar, whatever, you can put the menu, the toolbar. Okay, whatever that you want to put it first. Okay, let's say we want to put just that, and then you are going to copy this code here. You can use this beautiful button, okay, copy to clipboard, done, and then, or you can obviously press copy. Okay, and now go back to Schoology, to the test or quiz that you were creating, and press on these little buttons here that switch to HTML. Here you will find yourself with the HTML code. Don't worry that you don't know anything about HTML, because you are just going to paste the code that you copied. Okay, paste, and that's done. Look, go back, and this yellow thing here is the applet. You don't see it first, don't see it now, but you will see it. Okay, create the question. Obviously, if you want to add more text or whatever, you can create it. You can do it. And then let's go to see the preview of the test that we are creating. You will notice that the applet will be there. Okay. You will notice that the applet will be there. And this is the way you do it. For each question that requires an applet, you will have to press the little buttons that I show here, paste the code, and you have the applet inside the test request. Okay, that's just that. Just that. Here the applet will come because the first time that you open it can take a little time. Okay, but you have it. So be careful of doing good questions to the student that they can use this for something good. Okay, bye bye. See ya.